we're back and we are Unboxalot Toy Channel. And today we have 2 blind bags from Shopkins, Season 5. But they're really blind backpacks, right?
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and get these open and see what's up. Now, as you notice, they come in 2 backpacks that clip together, right? And let's get them all open over here, or all out over here, and then we'll be ready to start opening, right? So, and we have the Shopkins list, as usual, and we'll start with the opening. These things are difficult sometimes to get open, but when you do, there's your Shopkin goodness inside. So, we have 4 blind bags, and we're going to push the backpacks all together. So, let's see what we got.
Okay, what did we get?
Well, I'm going to clip them all, and then we'll open them and compare against the chart. So, what do you got?
Oh, I don't know what these guys are.
Let's get our Shopkins identification list and see what we got.
I think that's a watering can. Yep, it's a watering can.
That's a watering can. He's from the garden.
I see the garden. There he is.
And his name is Walter Watering Can.
Walter watering can.
There he is, close up.
This must be in the bakery.
Okay.
This is in the...
Got that. Okay, and we're looking. All right, well, who we got here? Oh no, that's not that after all.
Oh, ooh.
These are hard to identify from the pictures,
Yeah,
aren't they?
Does that look like her? Right there?
Yeah, it kind of does.
Yeah, it is.
Looks like we got Sprinkle Lee Cake. Sprinkle Lee Cake. Okay.
What do we got here? A muffin.
All right.
Oh no, it's flowers. It's flowers. This is in the garden.
Flowers.
This is in the
Okay,
garden.
Sweet Sheet Charms. We need the garden, right? Oh, Pita Planter.
Peter Planter.
Oh no, that's not Pita Planter.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's Pita Planter with the green body and the brown.
Yeah.
So right there. Okay, now where's our last one to identify? Okay, what do you think that is?
It's tissues.
It's tissues?
Yeah.
Okay, what would that be from? Homewares?
Yeah, homers.
Oh, Tiny Tissues.
Tiny
And this
tissues.
one is Tiny Tissues from Homewares.
No, that's her bathroom, I think.
Homewares. So,
Until next time. Bye-bye.
wait, here we are. There's our 4 Shopkins from this haul. Until next time.
Unboxalot Toy Channel. Bye.